Hello students, welcome to Matchup Maths. In previous video, we saw what is CPCT. In this video, we will solve some sums of exercise 7.1. Now, the first question given to us is, in quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equals to AD and AB bisects angle A. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. What can you say about BC and BD? See, here in the question, we are given that there is a quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equals to AD and AB bisects angle A. Now, bisects means it divides it into two equal parts. So, we can say that angle BAC is equals to angle BAD. Yes? Now, see, here, whenever we solve this type of questions, first mention what you are given. So, here, let's write given. Now, see, we are given that AC is equals to AD and AB bisects angle A. Yes? Now see, here we will write what we have to prove. So here, to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Now, we will write the proof. See, in proof, first mention the things that are given to us. So, here AC is equals to AD. In the bracket, we will write the reason for writing it. So, here we will write because it is given. And we can say that angle BAC is equals to angle BAD as AB bisects angle A. And it is given to us. Yes. Now see, we have to prove that this triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. So we can see that there is a side AB which is common in both the triangles. So here we can write AB is equals to AB. Why? Because it is common in both the triangle. So see, here we got one side, one angle and side. Yes. So we can write that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD by SAS congruence rule. Yes, so we proved that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Now we are asked here, what can you say about BC and BD? See, the remaining side of triangle ABC is this BC and the remaining side of triangle ABD is this BD. So we can say that BC is equals to BD by CPCT. Yes, we saw in CPCT, so we can write BC is equals to BD. Now, the second question given to us is ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equals to BC and angle DAB is equals to angle CB. Prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. BD is equals to AC and angle ABD is equals to angle BAC. So, here we are given that there is a quadrilateral ABCD where AD is equals to BC and angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. Now, these things are given to us. So, mention it in the given section, then write to prove. Here I am writing proof. So, here proof. See. First, we will write the things given to us. So, AD is equals to BC. This is given. Then, angle DAB is equals to angle CBA as it is given. Yes. Now, see, we have to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Yes, see here also there is a side AB which is common in both the triangles. So we can write AB is equals to AB. Why? Because it is common. Yes, so from this we can write that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Again by SAS rule. Yes. Now, the second thing we have to prove is BD is equals to AC. Now, see, the remaining side of triangle ABD is this BD and the remaining side of triangle BAC is this AC. So we can write BD is equals to AC by CPCT. Yes. Now see, we have to prove that angle ABD is equals to angle BAC. See, these are the angles of the triangle which are already congruent, and always remember that when the triangles are congruent, the corresponding angles are equal by CPCT. So we can directly write that angle ABD is equals to angle BAC by CPCT. Okay. Now the third question given to us is AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Show that CD bisects AB. Now see, here we are given that this BC and AD are two equal perpendiculars of the line segment AB. Now see, and angle B and angle A will be equal to 90 degree. Now we have to prove that CD is bisecting AB. We can prove it by proving OB is equals to OA. Yes, we'll prove that OB is equals to OA. Yes, then we can say that CD bisects AB. Now how we will prove OB is equals to OA? We can prove it by CPCT. Yes, so we will prove it by CPCT. If we will show that triangle OAD and OBC are two congruent triangles, then we will be able to write OB is equals to OA by CPCT. So let's write the proof here. See, the things given to us. AD is equals to BC. Given angle A is equals to angle B. Given. Now see, we can see that this angle DOA will be equal to COB. Why? Because they both are vertically opposite angles. So here we will write angle DOA is equals to angle DOB, as they are vertically, COB. Here it will be COB, as they are vertically opposite angles. So from this we got this as side angle angle. So we can say that triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. Yes, by AAS congruence rule. Yes. Now the remaining side of the triangle AOD is this OA and BOC is this OB. So we can say that OA is equals to OB by CPCT, and so we can say that CD bisects AB. Yes, hence proved that CD bisects AB. Now the fourth question given to us is L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. See, here we are given that L and M are two parallel lines intersected by two parallel lines P and Q. Now we have to prove that this triangle ABC is congruent to this triangle CDA. Now see, we can see here that in triangle ABC and in triangle ACD, this and this will be same angles. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles. See, let's write proof together. See here, angle BAC is equals to angle DCA, as they are alternate interior angles. Yes. Now see, there will be another pair of interior angles, this DAC and this BCA. So here we will write that angle BCA is equals to angle DAC. Why? Because it is also alternate interior angle. Yes. Now see, we have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Now you can observe that this AC is common in both the triangles. So we can write AC is equals to AC. Yes, as it is the common side. So again here we got angle side. Yes, so we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. See, here the side is included between two angles. So we can say that these triangles are congruent by angle side angle rule. Yes, because the side is included between two angles. So we proved that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA by ASA rule. I hope you got the solutions. If you have any doubt, write it in the comment section. Or you can directly message us on our Instagram page. The link for our Instagram page is given in the description box below. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.